How to upload photos on DeepSeek AI. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, you got to open the DeepSeek application. So once you open the application, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you can either start, uploading photos on the same chat, or you can even click on this icon over here at the top right and start a new chat by clicking over here. So once you're in a new chat, or even you can do that on any existing chat, you can just click on plus icon over here. And after that, you could click on image OCR. So once you click on that, you need to first, give access of your photos gallery to DeepSeek AI. So make sure that you have granted access, and then you'll be able to see all of your pictures over here. So you're going to select a specific picture that you wish to upload. So once you have selected the picture, you can just click on add over here. And you can see that the image is uploading right now. So for example, I had uploaded a picture of a screenshot. So I'm going to ask them that where can I find these in the US, and hit enter. And now, DeepSeek AI, right now I'm using DeepThink R1. So now they're just going through the thinking process, and after the thinking process has been completed, they're going to give me the answer. And now you can see that they have given me the conclusion answer to that. So that is basically how you can upload photos on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.